Seasonal allergies, also known as hay fever, plague millions every year. They occur when our immune system overreacts to harmless substances in the environment, like pollen. These allergens trigger a cascade of reactions, leading to a variety of uncomfortable symptoms. You know the drill: the incessant sneezing, the itchy eyes, the runny nose. It's enough to make anyone want to stay indoors all season. These symptoms can significantly impact our daily lives, affecting our sleep, work, and overall well-being. Beyond the common culprits like pollen, other triggers include mold spores and dust mites. Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards managing your allergies effectively. Remember, while these allergens are widespread, not everyone experiences the same level of sensitivity. Factors like genetics and environmental exposure play a significant role in determining our individual responses. Believe it or not, the food we eat can either exacerbate or alleviate allergy symptoms. By incorporating certain foods into our diet, we can naturally support our immune system and reduce inflammation. One of the key strategies is to embrace anti-inflammatory foods. These include colorful fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants, which help combat the oxidative stress caused by allergens. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts, are another powerful ally. They possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm down an overactive immune response. Probiotics are also crucial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a surprising role in regulating our immune system. Incorporate foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut into your diet to foster a diverse and balanced gut flora. For centuries, humans have turned to nature for relief from various ailments, and allergies are no exception. Certain herbs possess natural antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties that can provide relief from those pesky allergy symptoms. One such herb is quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in fruits like apples and berries. It helps stabilize mast cells, which release histamine and trigger allergic reactions. Another potent herbal remedy is butterbur, a plant extract that has been shown to be as effective as some antihistamine medications in reducing nasal congestion and other allergy symptoms. Stinging nettle, despite its name, is another surprising ally. This herb contains compounds that block the body's production of histamine, providing relief from sneezing, itching, and runny nose. These natural remedies can be taken in various forms, including capsules, teas, or extracts, making them easily accessible and convenient for daily use. When it comes to alleviating those uncomfortable respiratory symptoms, some simple home remedies can work wonders. Saline nasal rinses, for instance, are incredibly effective at flushing out allergens and mucus from the nasal passages, providing instant relief from congestion. Simply mix a teaspoon of salt with warm water and use a neti pot or bulb syringe to irrigate your nasal passages. Another simple yet effective remedy is steam inhalation. Adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to a bowl of hot water and inhaling the steam can help open up the airways and loosen mucus. You can also try placing a warm compress over your sinuses to relieve pressure and pain. These home remedies are gentle, safe, and can be easily incorporated into your daily routine for quick and effective relief. Section 5. Movement as medicine. How exercise can alleviate allergy symptoms. While it might seem counterintuitive to exercise when you're feeling stuffy and congested, engaging in regular physical activity can actually help alleviate allergy symptoms. Exercise helps improve circulation, boosting the lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing toxins and allergens from the body. Additionally, exercise releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects, making you feel better overall. However, it's crucial to choose the right environment for your workouts, especially during peak allergy season. Opt for indoor activities like swimming, yoga, or gym workouts when pollen counts are high. If you do venture outdoors, choose times when pollen levels are typically lower, such as early morning or late evening. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your exercise routine as needed. If you experience any worsening of symptoms, stop and consult your doctor. Section 6. Minimizing exposure. Creating an allergy-safe haven. One of the most effective ways to manage seasonal allergies is to minimize your exposure to allergens as much as possible. Start by making your home an allergy-safe haven. Keep windows and doors closed during peak pollen hours and consider investing in an air purifier with a HEPA filter. These filters are designed to trap even the smallest of allergens, improving indoor air quality. Regularly cleaning your home is also crucial. Dust furniture, vacuum carpets, and wash bedding frequently in hot water to remove dust mites and other allergens. When you do need to venture outdoors, wear a hat and sunglasses to minimize pollen contact with your eyes and hair. Upon returning home, change your clothes and take a shower to rinse off any lingering allergens. Section 7. Cleanliness is key preventing allergen buildup in your home. Maintaining a clean and allergen-free home environment is crucial for managing seasonal allergies effectively. Allergens like dust mites, pet dander, and mold spores thrive in warm, humid environments and can accumulate quickly in our homes. Implementing a regular cleaning routine can significantly reduce allergen levels and minimize allergy symptoms. Start by focusing on high-traffic areas where allergens tend to accumulate, such as bedrooms, living rooms, and bathrooms. Vacuum carpets and rugs at least once a week using a vacuum cleaner equipped with a HEPA filter, which traps even the smallest of particles. Wash bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, and blankets in hot water at least 130 degrees Fahrenheit every week to kill dust mites. Section 8. Outsmarting allergens, practical tips for daily life. Beyond home cleaning, there are numerous practical tips you can incorporate into your daily routine to outsmart allergens and minimize their impact on your life. When spending time outdoors, be mindful of pollen counts, which are often reported in local weather forecasts. Avoid going outdoors during peak pollen hours, typically mid-morning and early evening, and opt for activities during times when pollen levels are lower, such as early morning or late evening. If you're planning outdoor activities, consider wearing a hat and sunglasses to minimize pollen contact with your eyes and hair. Upon returning home, immediately change your clothes and take a shower to rinse off any lingering allergens. These simple yet effective strategies can significantly reduce your exposure to allergens and help you enjoy the outdoors with fewer allergy symptoms. Section 9. The power of prevention. Proactive steps for a symptom-free season. Taking a proactive approach to allergy management can make a significant difference in minimizing symptoms and enjoying a more comfortable allergy season. Instead of waiting for symptoms to hit, consider starting allergy medications or natural remedies a few weeks before your typical allergy season begins. This will give your body a head start in combating allergens and reducing their impact. If you know you'll be spending time outdoors during peak pollen season, try using a saline nasal rinse before and after your outing. This will help flush out any allergens that may have gotten trapped in your nasal passages, providing immediate relief. Additionally, keep yourself well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps thin mucus and makes it easier for your body to flush out allergens. Section 10. Finding what works. A personalized approach to allergy relief. When it comes to finding relief from seasonal allergies, it's essential to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. What works for one person may not work for another, as allergy triggers and sensitivities vary greatly from individual to individual. The key is to adopt a personalized approach, experimenting with different remedies and strategies to discover what works best for you. Start by identifying your specific allergy triggers and focusing on minimizing your exposure to those allergens. Then explore a combination of natural remedies, dietary changes, lifestyle adjustments, and if necessary, over-the-counter or prescription medications. Keep a journal to track your symptoms, the remedies you're using, and any improvements or setbacks you experience. This will help you identify patterns and determine which strategies are most effective for you. Section 11. Embrace the natural approach. Benefits and considerations. While conventional allergy treatments like antihistamines and nasal corticosteroids can provide effective relief, many people are turning to natural remedies as a gentler, more holistic approach to managing their allergies. Natural remedies often come with fewer side effects than conventional medications and can address the root cause of allergies by supporting the immune system and reducing inflammation. However, it's crucial to remember that natural remedies can vary in their effectiveness and may not be suitable for everyone. Some herbs can interact with certain medications, so it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating them into your allergy management plan, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding.